Ooh, say good morning. It's cold out here today. Hi, MeeMees. Come, Charles. Where you going over there? Charlie. Come on, Mama. Let's go follow Charlie. Come, Meems. You hear Charlie Wally over there? That's the big Charlie over there. His friend Charlie's on the other side. We're gonna see him when we come around. Alright? Come on, you see him later. Come on. What happened, man? Those are your friends over there. You know they are. Come on. It's okay, they're alright. They're alright. They're alright, honey. They're alright, honeys. Come on. Come on.